Okay, this is gonna be the in-depth tutorial of how I turned leggings into a little romper. I made a TikTok about it and everyone was like confused how I did it. I post all my thrift flips over on TikTok, but I felt like this might have needed a more in-depth tutorial. Basically, thrift pair leggings, you have to make sure that they're high-waisted. You're gonna need a sewing machine. That's pretty much it. You're gonna wanna try the leggings on, pin where you would want to cut them into like biker shorts. The excess is what we're gonna use to make the top and then attach the top to the bottom, hence making a romper. You're not gonna be able to see this well. Make sure that when you're folding them in half, it's like aligned, like you're folding them in half to cut. Make sure to cut straight across. You don't want any angles like you would maybe do with denim shorts. And then bang, you have little biker shorts. Now you're gonna want to either cut or seam rip along the seam of the leg. And after you do that, it will look like this. Then once you have it cut like this, you're going to take, I like using this side because it already has a seam, so it'll be seamed across the top of my chest here. You're gonna wanna like stretch it out because it's gonna be stretched on you. So I know that I need about this much fabric. And this is obviously gonna be stretched down too, and it's going to be sewn to the top of the biker shorts. But because this isn't like a perfect rectangle, you're still gonna have to fold it in half and cut out that like perfect rectangle for the front of your body. It really only needs to cover the front rectangle because we're going to be adding side pieces and then the straps, which is going to like fix the rest of it. It's kind of complicated, but this is the seam, so I line that up together and then I'm going to like cut out a perfect rectangle. Don't be alarmed because it will stretch. Basically imagine like the next pieces that we're going to cut out is like, it's a triangle, but it's a swoopy triangle. So this is going to be one side of the triangle. It's going to swoop down like this and connect back here. This is scrap fabric. This is my front piece. I lined up these sides here. This is going to be as long as this is going to be as tall as the triangle. So it's going to be cut like that. So after I have this one, I'm just going to place this one onto the extra scrap fabric and cut out the other one. Now it's just like pieces of a puzzle. Like you have these two sides that you just cut out, your main body piece, and you're going to pin these and sew them together. Alright. I'm gonna go over this twice. Also, when you sew it, oh, my camera's gonna die. Are you joking? Make sure to like pull it a little bit as you're sewing so it does have that same stretch when you go to put it on. Done it. Here's the top. You get the vision. It's starting to piece right together. But this part you're going to want to like pin together like so all the way around and sew that. It's already sewn. You can pull it up and it's like the romper part. I'm gonna do my best to show you this. So the leggings on the bottom are like right side out. I took the front part and placed right sides together, so this is the wrong side facing upwards. And I pinned it along the top seam of the front of the shorts. Also, don't forget that you're gonna have to layer these triangular pieces over the back in like a little layering motion, and you're gonna sew around the entire circumference of the waist. All right, now is the perfect guess and check time. Try on what you've sewn so far. So obviously the shorts are fitting fine, but we just sewed this. So this is looking great. You can see, oh, I have a hole, so I have to fix that. Okay, my brain got confused here. I thought I was filming my TikTok, which is why I didn't speak during this. But basically you cut out 2 half ovals and you're gonna attach it to the corner of the top chest line. And then you're going to measure it on yourself and pin it at the back where you think it'll fit you best. Sew it together, and that is the final look. My camera did die, so this is what we get.